I chose this path so that demonstrate why we are here together. We are here together for one reason. And this reason is to spread the good news. We don't have nothing else than the good news. That's why I'm very happy when we come together and we look how can we strengthen one another. But the strength is weak if we are not connected, and the path are not connected through love. The path connected through love. The hands connect to the body through love. Everything you have connect to this path with love. And God is love. If we don't have God in our life, the body will not be good connected. So it will not be in harmony. And that's why we have to be thankful to God that He gives us the opportunity to know Him. And so that we can know His message, the gospel, the good news, so that we can share in love with one another. If one of the lands in the Caribbean have pain, and you cannot say it is Haiti or it is St. Lucia, I don't feel anything. Since we are one body and connected to the love of God, if one has pain, we will also feel the same pain. So we will work together how to solve, how we can help that this body, part of the body, heal again. Because we have to feel the same pain if one part feels pain. And that's why we are together. How to deal with the problem we have. So we can solve this problem because we are one. If one is ill, we all are ill. And this love of God is amazing. I want to give a short story. I think a few of you know this story because I tell it for the students. But it's to illustrate how big the love of God is. I was driving from the interior to the capital and one lady stopped the car. I was with a friend of mine. So she sat in the back. She was a very young lady. She was just finished her study as teacher. Okay, well, I drive along. An old guy stopped the car and asked me also for a drive. So I give both a drive. And he sit both in the back. But when you're driving, as people speaking in the back of the car, sometimes you can hear they are speaking, but not clear. You know, but you hear something is going there, behind there. And at one moment, this old guy, maybe he is about 70 years old, and this lady maybe 24 to 23 years old. This old guy said to this lady, I love you. And this young lady said, oh, but I don't love you. He said, that is your problem. And I start thinking about this. How can this old man say to this young lady, I love you? And I understand also why she responds like that. Because the age is so different, and this very beautiful young lady, and this old guy, But for me, it was something I thought about this. I think it is very important because I asked this old guy, why do you tell her you love her? He told me, I don't ask her to love me. I only tell her that I love him. And I think that is how God is. God loves you, even we don't love you. And He wants only that we know that He loves us and that He is waiting
que él está esperando.
I think that moment that this young lady will say to Chubby, I love you, something will happen.
Yo creo que en el momento en que
But
aquella
says
joven
this
le
lady,
diga, "Lady,
say to
yo
Chubby,
también te quiero",
the guy, I don't love you, nothing can happen. But the old man is waiting.
durante el tiempo que ella no,
And God
no
is
expresa su
waiting always
nada
upon
más.
us.
Y que creo que el viejito
And
está
that is His
esperando,
love.
y Dios
And
está
this love
esperando
is the connection we have.
nuestra
If
expresión
we
de
love
amor.
God, then we have the possibility to love one
Si
another.
queremos a Dios, entonces tenemos la posibilidad de querernos los
Thanks
unos
God.
a los otros. Muchas gracias.